Hi friends, I am here again. Today I will tell you about my parts. I mean the parts of a computer. A computer system. The monitor, keyboard, and mouse are connected to the CPU and together they form a computer system. Different parts of a computer are as follows: monitor, CPU box, keyboard, mouse. Monitor. A monitor looks like a TV or television. It shows whatever you type through the keyboard or whatever you draw with the help of a mouse. It also shows the result of the work done on the computer. CPU box. CPU box is the main part of the computer. It controls all the working of a computer. Keyboard, mouse, and other devices are connected to the CPU box. Keyboard. A keyboard looks like a typewriter. It has different buttons called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. We can input letters, numbers, and special symbols, plus, minus, question mark, colon, etc. using the keyboard. Mouse. A mouse is small in size and has a tail, wire or cable which connects it to the CPU. When you move a mouse, you can see a pointer moving on the screen. You can draw pictures on the computer with the help of a mouse. It has 2 or more buttons. Some more devices. The other parts of a computer are speakers, microphone, printer, CD or compact disc and CD drive, UPS, pendrive, hard disk, etc.